If your container garden keeps failing, it's not your fault. Most gardeners are using the wrong setup. Today, I'm going to show you a simple system to grow food in containers that almost never fails. Most container gardens fail for 3 reasons. The pots are too small, the soil dries out too fast, and the plants aren't suited for containers. Those 3 things, and container gardening becomes one of the easiest ways to grow food. This method is perfect for patio gardeners, apartment growers, beginners, and anyone who wants a low-maintenance food garden. You don't need a backyard. You just need the right system. Here's the number 1 rule. Most containers are too small. Small pots dry out fast, stress the roots, and kill your harvest. Instead, use this sizing guide. Lettuce, 8 to 10 inches. Herbs, 8 to 12 inches. Bush beans, 3 to 5 gallons. Peppers, 5 gallons. Dwarf tomatoes, 7 to 10 gallons. Bigger containers hold more moisture, more nutrients, and give you better results every time. Next is soil, and this is where most people go wrong. Garden soil doesn't work in containers. Instead, use this simple mix: 70% potting mix, 20% compost or worm castings, and 10% perlite. This gives you nutrients, airflow, and moisture retention. If you have worm castings, this is where they shine. They turn an average container into a high-performance growing system. Containers don't need more water. They need consistent water. Water deeply until it drains out the bottom. Then wait until the top inch dries out before watering again. And here's the trick most people skip. Add mulch, straw, leaves, or even shredded paper. Mulch can reduce watering by up to 50%. Lettuce is one of the easiest crops you can grow in containers. It grows fast, doesn't need deep soil, and keeps producing. Use loose-leaf varieties like black-seeded Simpson, red sales, butter crunch. Plant seeds directly, keep them moist, and harvest outer leaves. You'll get weeks of continuous harvest. Bush beans are one of the most productive container crops. And unlike pole beans, they don't need a trellis. Plant 6 to 8 seeds in a 3 to 5 gallon pot. They grow fast and produce heavily in about 50 to 60 days. The more you harvest, the more they produce. Peppers thrive in containers. They love warm soil and good drainage, and containers provide both. Use a 5-gallon pot and varieties like jalapeno, banana pepper, bell peppers. Add a small stake and you'll get a strong, steady harvest. Herbs are the easiest container crops you can grow. They tolerate drying out better than most vegetables and don't need much space. Grow basil, parsley, thyme, oregano, chives. Once established, they practically take care of themselves. Tomatoes can be tricky unless you choose the right type. Skip large, indeterminate varieties. Instead, grow dwarf or bush tomatoes like Tiny Tim, Patio Choice, Husky Cherry Red. Use a 7 to 10 gallon pot and add a cage. These plants stay compact and produce heavily in small spaces. Here's a simple layout anyone can follow. This small setup can produce fresh food all season long, right on a patio. The secret to containers that never fail is simple. Grow the right plant, in the right size container, with the right soil. When you do that, container gardening becomes predictable, reliable, and incredibly productive. You don't need a big yard to grow food. A few containers done the right way can feed you all season. Start small, pick a few of these crops, and build your container garden one pot at a time. If you found this helpful, subscribe to The Wormy Garden for simple, proven ways to grow more food with less work.